we're here at the first Texas building. Here in Wichita Falls, Texas. This is interesting. Hi. Trojan elevator. Woo! Oh, love when comes in. Okay. Oh, I'll get these up fun actually. Well done. Nice ceiling. High. Woo! Carpeted walls. Very 1980s. Stopping it too. Well, that one goes it.
Hello.
Hello, I'm going down. Yes. Here you go. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Let's get busy. Ding ding.
The other elevator doesn't work? Hi there.
Yeah. That's it. Oh. Okay.
We are going up.
We are
Yes.
going up. Yep.
Okay.
What
ahead.
floor?
Well, 6, please.
Yeah, exactly. Somebody's getting some nice flowers today, huh?
Going to Healing Hands. They are so amazing.
What do they do?
I think they're like a home health.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
They're great people.
Awesome.
Yeah. Don't have a good
You
one.
too.
Thank you,
Thank
too.
you.
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh, this is pretty cool. Alright, found. Look at that. Sony phone. Everything's like a fast horse. So these things are fast. Okay, that's interesting. Anyway, I guess take a look at all these Texas flags, y'all. I guess that's gonna be it for me.